Hi there. I downloaded an image. It's showing like JIF file. If I try to open, it shows like it cannot be opened. So, going to show you the first way to fix it. For that, first go to Start. Type Folder. File Explorer Options. Come to View. And make sure that this box is unticked. If it's ticked, untick and apply, then OK. Now, rename the file. Remove JIF and add JPG. Yes, the file is now opened as JPG. It's working. Now the another way. If the method 1 do not work for you, then online solution. On Google, simply type JIF to JPG. And go to the first one. Now drag the file to the source. And convert. Now download it. It's downloaded. And working fine. So, these are the two simple ways to convert JIF to JPG. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.